Welcome back to my meeting card tutorials. You can find our mobile app in both the Google Play or Apple stores online. On this tutorial, we will show you how to create and send a meeting verification report. By now, you should have already attended a meeting by now, and are more familiar with the mobile app. Your meeting information has been securely stored in our database under your profile. In the Meetings tab, you will see a list of meetings that you've attended already, or even ongoing meetings. When you are ready to submit a report, use the button towards the bottom which says Send Reports. If you have not already purchased a yearly subscription, you will first be prompted to do so. With your subscription, you can send unlimited reports during that year. The next step is to select the date range of your report, which can be 7 days, the last 30 days, or you can even select a custom date range. Then you will enter the name of the recipient and email address of the person to receive your meeting verification report. Once the contact person information is filled, click Submit and you will receive a confirmation. Please note, the meetings that you submit are marked as pending until they are verified by our staff members. Our staff calls or looks up meeting locations and times online or by phone to verify the authenticity of those meetings. Once they are approved, the meetings are changed from pending to verified. In your email reports, you will see a report of both pending and verified meetings. Please allow our staff up to 48 hours to verify meetings. You can resubmit a meeting report once all meetings have been verified if you need to. Don't forget to subscribe to our email list or YouTube channel for updates and more tutorial videos on my meeting card.